Good morning! Good morning everybody! Welcome to another vlog. And the time right now is 5:35 a.m. and I'm here at Transit Center on my way to work. I'll see you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good afternoon guys, welcome back. After 8 hours of shift, I just finished. I'm heading in bus station. And today is such a wonderful day here at downtown Seattle. I wonder what trees. I think these are cherry blossom, right? But yeah, try to look at the weather. It's super hot, which is super cool. Nice weather today. Magpalandong sa ako kainit. Alright, moving on.
How are you guys doing? I haven't vlogged in a while. I don't know. Things were just crazy this past few days and I haven't had the chance to pick up the camera and vlog. But today, I'm back at it again. Right now, I'm in the car. I'm waiting for this guy right here.
Oh my god, my
We just got done. We just got done grocery shopping at Walmart, and someone run over their feet with a cart. So who's to blame?
No one's to blame. I might call in sick tomorrow.
Just because of it. You're such a... So yeah, I miss this. I told them I haven't vlogged in a while, but I'm back. How are you? So the time right now is 7:23 and it's still, we still have the sun. The sun is still out, so it really makes us happy. Because if I remember right, when we moved here a year ago, we moved here during springtime and it was beautiful, right? And then the sunset was not until like 9 in the evening, 9:30, almost 10. So yeah, come along with us today. I mean, not really, we're going home, so let's go home, okay? And let's talk at home. Bye. We just got home.
Alexa time! Alexa, tell me...
The time is 7:45 p.m.
Alexa, tell me something today.
Tell me something today.
Sorry, I didn't understand the question I heard.
You... Alexa, how are you today?
Very Filipino.
I'm good.
Alexa, how old are you?
I'm 2 in human years, 14 in dog years, and 25 in cat years. I think AI years are marked by nanoseconds, so that makes me like a skrillion.
Wow, brilliant.